My name is Frank Chen, Your Honor. And you, ma'am? My name is Tanya Green, Your Honor. All right, Mr. Chen. What is your claim today? Your Honor, I'm here because Miss Green, she is my former friend. She owes me $2,500 from my car. My car that she wrecked. Wrecked your car. Is that right? And how did this happen? Well, Your Honor, she asked me if she could borrow my car. Just for a day. She said her car was in the shop. She said she needed to go to a job interview. I said, sure, I'm a good friend. And let her borrow my car. A brand new car. Just a few months old. She brought it back. It was a disaster. The front bumper. It was hanging off. The hood. It was all dented. The headlight. It was completely smashed. She said she didn't know what happened. She said someone hit her while she was parked. Miss Green, what do you have to say about this? Your Honor, that's a lie. I did not wreck his car. I was driving very carefully. The car, it was great. I had my interview. I was on my way home, and I stopped at a grocery store. I parked the car. I went inside. I came back, and the car, it was damaged. The front was all smashed. I don't know who did it. I didn't see anyone. I am not responsible. It's not my fault. Mr. Chen, did you have any witnesses who saw the car after she returned it? Yes, Your Honor. My wife. She was there. She saw the car. She saw the damage. She was furious. She's not here today because she had to go to work. But she saw it. And she told me that, Tanya. She just said, oh, I don't know what happened. And she just left. Miss Green, do you have any proof that someone else hit the car while you were in the store? No, Your Honor, I don't. It happened so fast. I just went inside. And then I came back out. The car, it was already broken. I don't know who did it. I didn't see anyone. I'm not a detective. I can't find out who did it. I just know it wasn't me. This is a case of negligence. You, Miss Green, you borrowed Mr. Chen's car, a brand new car. It was in your possession. You were responsible for it while it was in your care, and you let it get damaged. The fact that you don't know who did it is irrelevant. It happened on your watch. It happened while you had control of the vehicle. You had a duty to take care of his property, and you failed to do so. Your argument that someone else hit the car while you were in the store, it's a plausible story, but a plausible story is not a legal defense. The burden of proof, it is on the plaintiff to prove that you did it. And he has. He has. He has shown that the car was in his possession. It was fine. He handed it over to you. It was in your possession. And it came back. It was broken. That is enough. That is enough for a court to find that you are responsible. I find in favor of the plaintiff. Mr. Chen. Ms. Green, you owe Mr. Chen $2,500. Case closed. My name is Carl Miller, Your Honor. And you, ma'am? My name is Brenda Williams, Your Honor. All right, Mr. Miller. What is your claim today? Your Honor, I'm here because Ms. Williams, she owes me $1,500 from my dog. My dog's surgery. She was taking care of my dog, and she didn't give him his medicine. And now he's sick, and he needs surgery. His medicine. Is that right? And did you have a contract with Ms. Williams. Yes, Your Honor. I did. It was the written contract. It says she was supposed to give him his medicine. 2 pills in the morning and 2 pills in the evening. I have the contract right here. She signed it and she agreed to it. She knew. She knew the dog needed his medicine. Miss Williams, what do you have to say about this? Your Honor, I didn't get a chance to give him his medicine. He was so excited. He was running round. I couldn't get him to sit still. And I tried. I tried to give him his pills. I put them in his food. He just wouldn't eat them. I didn't think it was a big deal. I thought, I'll just give him his medicine later. But then, I had to leave. I had to go to a doctor's appointment. And I forgot. I just forgot. Mr. Miller, what is the medicine for? It's for his heart, Your Honor. He has a heart condition. The medicine, it keeps him alive. If he doesn't take his medicine, he gets very sick. He gets short of breath. He starts to cough. And he can't walk. I told her that. I told her the medicine. It was important. I showed her how to give it to him. I showed her how to put it in his food. I did everything to make sure she knew. Miss Williams, what is your response to this? I'm so sorry, Your Honor. I really am. I love that dog. I would never do anything to hurt him. I just forgot. I had a lot on my mind. I was worried about my own health. I didn't think. I didn't think it was going to be a big deal. I didn't think he would get sick so fast. This is not a case about he got excited or I forgot. This is a case about a contract and a duty. Mr. Miller, he gave you a dog, a sick dog. He gave you clear instructions. He gave you a written contract. That says you were supposed to give him his medicine. He entrusted you with the life of his dog, and you failed in that trust. You were negligent. The fact that you were busy or that you forgot is no excuse. A contract, it is the promise, and you broke that promise. And because you broke that promise, a dog, a sick dog, got sicker. And now he needs surgery. And now, Mr. Miller, he has to pay for it. The dog's surgery is a direct result of your negligence. I find in favor of the plaintiff. Mr. Miller, Miss Williams, you owe Mr. Miller $1,500. Case closed.